Yes!
We're bringing him down already.
Yes, boys! Wait, check how much money he makes now.
Okay, that's why guys, as our boy he's grown up. He's grown up so much. Remember he gets 60 views a video, but somehow he makes $1,200. Like, come on, look at that.
He does?
But today we're going to be reacting to this channel I found named Ticker Talker. Go check them out. They post really good, great content. This video is 540 views. That's kind of a lot, right? Okay, we're starting off the video with Uncle Ron. Oh, we got Lincoln here too from last video.
Hello.
11 because I pissed in my Coca-Cola Slurpee and drank it while I was
Wait 1 second, guys. So starting off the vid with Uncle Ron talking about pissing in a Coca-Cola bottle. Sounds good, right?
Excuse me. I didn't see a piss-flavored Slurpee, otherwise I would have taken matters into my own dog.
Lincoln.
Uncle Ron,
Lincoln.
I want to make
Uncle
something
Ron.
perfectly clear. Piss.
Everyth's about his
I want to make my
salon.
piss perfectly clear, but I keep drinking Mountain Dew and smoking crack, so I guess I'll have to settle for this toxic yellow color. That's on God, baby girl.
I'm gonna start the gene.
Remember the gene?
Oh, that's good.
Dude, this is kind of hot, not gonna lie.
That's real good. Oh, I can smell it all day!
Alright.
Every day!
Oh.
Hello? What is that?
It's
Oh my gosh, no way, Dr. Phil.
This is. I don't know. This is not a fat challenge, right?
Yeah?
Okay.
Nice.
I think that's Dr. Phil.
What did you find?
Let's give that a thumbs up.
Dude, that was a
Okay,
good
so we
one.
got another channel called Big Yashi.
We just found this one out.
This kid,
Oh.
look at his face.
Mm.
But he has more bars than Justery. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah.
His
honestly,
bars are honestly insane.
Okay. Well, first bit, we're listening to Demons.
Song's called Demons.
Oh my gosh.
That's the power of Christ compels me, right?
Yep.
We need an exorcist in here. An old priest and a young priest.
Yep.
I'm vibing.
Mm. Yep. Let's go.
Pick up here. Okay. This is actually kind of good. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, damn.
Oh.
I like this. He's 11. I'm giving out your personal information. Demon kid, a big Yashi. So if you don't sub, I'm gonna tell everyone that you're 11. Crap. I have to tell them that. There we go. If you don't see Lincoln's banging his head.
Yep.
Okay,
Spicy chicken nuggets.
that was pretty good vid.
Oh, that was...
I disliked it because I dislike every video. He had the same video twice, I think.
No.
Lyric video.
What? This is like the lyrics.
You guys can check. What's up?
Yo. Oh.
Dude.
Better watch out, cause it's you that we
I kind of like this.
Oh wait, do that.
Route.
Yay. No, not clout.
Oh, 200 subs.
This hit 100 subs. Yep, when we get those dubs.
Okay, he has a few bangers.
Yeah.
I think TikToker has a more viewed top video than him though.
Yeah.
But he has 173 subs.
Yep.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty smacks.
What's this gonna be titled? Let's title it Big Yashi.
Big Yashi reacts. Oh! Yes, sir.
Oh, he has a clout sign.
Let's get it. Come on, let's go. Oh,
Okay.
look at that thumbnail.
You gotta have the hair, bro. If you guys don't know, I don't have hair. It's not something I feel.
Oh.
I'm a menace.
Just 100 subs. That's right, I only take dubs. That's right, I do this for fun. When I stop and they run, I shine bright like the sun. Yeah, that's right, I ain't done. Don't be playing.
The demon song is actually, I give it like an 8 out of 10. This one's off the bat a 10. No, I'm kidding. It's like a 2.
This one's like a 3.
Yeah, but the demon's one I kind of like.
Pull up in a foreign whip. 25K on my wrist. Got the extended clip.
You can tell he's a white boy in this song. That's why I don't like.
In the other one, you can tell it's
You can tell he's, you know,
Dip the chip in the
white.
dip.
White people aren't really good at rapping. That's not racist, because white people suck at rapping.
Yeah.
But the demon songs actually kind of, you can still tell, but you know.
Yo, dude, should we just randomly react to this thing right here?
ZHC?
Yeah.
Nah, he's a big channel. He could copyright it. Big channels can copyright stuff. Take it down.
Sprite that I sip.
Oh my gosh, that was the cringiest background music.
My brother just hit 100 subs. And my name is C-Dubs. Ooh, yeah, skirt.
Oh, you can't tell that's white at all. One sec. His channel has a his brother has a channel. You hear that? So that's his little brother, right?
Yeah. Probably.
Yeah, skirt.
One sec.
And my name is C-Dubs.
C-Dubs.
Yeah, skirt.
Oh,
Just
that's
hit
the music.
100 subs. That's
That's
what I
when you
only
only
take
catch
dubs.
dubs.
That's what I do this for fun. When I stop and they run, I shine
Wait,
bright.
guys, if you hey Wes, remember when me, you, and Ridley were gonna make a music video? Yeah. So if you guys seen my previous videos, you know that I reacted to my old videos. My old video of mine and my old video of my friend that I was in, and we had YouTube channels, and
you might have saw the face reveal.
Yeah, you know that I'm white. I got dark hair, and that's pretty much all you know. Who knows? I might be bald now. You know, KSI, right? But you could basic who I am.
Yep,
but
and
we
I
were
get
gonna
big
make a
dubs.
music video. We were gonna make a music video. And it was like it was around the time of Team 10, and we were gonna call ourselves Team 2 because there was 2 of us, and.
Son. Yeah, that's right, I ain't done. Don't be playing. Cause I already won.
This beat's kind of fire though.
The demon one's so much better though.
Yeah, the demon. Let's go check that one out one last time.
Yeah.
Nah, we'll listen to it off camera. Go check them out, guys. Sprite that
Yeah.
assist.
Give this guy some clout and that TikToker guy.
Yeah, this guy though, he's actually like really.
For a
Are
lot
you
of
the menace?
Isn't
Isn't that the same beat?
Coming in like I'm Batman. Gotta add to my wingspan. Bar so cool to a snowman. I've been working hard to get here. Hocus
Yeah, it
pocus,
is.
make it disappear. Better wake up. Cause I'm your worst nightmare. Just at 100 subs.
That's
That's
a
when I
really
only
catch
take
dubs.
That's what I do is for fun. When I stop and they run, I shine
One
bright
sec,
like
one
the
sec,
sun.
guys.
So boys, Philly over there had to go, so I'm taking over video. So let's hop back into this song.
Yeah, that's right, I ain't done. Don't be playing. Cause I already won.
Oh yeah, straight bars. Remember guys, go check out Big Yashi. Get him to 200 subs. Like the video. And yep, that's all for today.
Okay. It's like we fooled you. I'm back. I got Edgar here. Got my dog. His name's Edgar. Don't question it. Yeah. This is a pretty good song. Let's just go back to Demons one more time.
Yeah, Demons is kind of fire, you know?
Especially for a person with 200 subs above.
Yep. Yes, sir. Yep. Yo.
I'll give it a thumbs up, actually. You guys can see that.
Big Shaq. Yo, no,
Oh, no.
man's not hot.
The demon inside telling me I should be good. Best in the game, but not the best student.
Never mind, this isn't as good as I thought when I looked at it. It's still kind of good, though. This part's good. Oh, my dog's biting me.
Life's a roller coaster, so you gotta hang tight. Buckle up your straps, cause it's your big time. These clap door strap like it's OG. Beach in the back, sitting with the
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This song sounded better in my head when we were listening to it.
Yeah.
So I give it like a
Yeah.
7 now.
Yeah, it's pretty good, though. Oh, my dog's biting the computer. Let's not do that, baby. Hey, let me finish this song out, actually. Hey, baby. My baby dog. It's a puppy, not a baby dog. Okay.
Oh!
She's bit me. Okay, yeah. Okay, so see you guys.